And we are live in Newfoundland. Yeah, the house in Nova Scotia, the welcome back to the channel. Lots have went on since the last. Yeah, we're settled at the homestead here now. Settled as can be, I guess. We're in the RV. It's been cold, wet, damp. I mean, like 3 and 4 degrees Celsius each day. So you can do the conversion for the Fahrenheit. I guess that's like between 30 and 40 degrees, I guess. Maybe even below zero overnight. But anyways, not real warm. So we're just getting ready to go now to a friend of mine where we dropped our first load of stuff. I gotta go up and get a lot of tools up there, so I need tools here. So I gotta go get that. Not necessarily tools, but just stuff I need, like oil pan and that kind of stuff. So anyways, and we gotta fill the water up in the trailer. So Penny is gonna come for a ride. Hey Penny. Yep. Yes sir. Gonna go in the truck. And we're just putting away some clothes here, and Holly is up, but she's covered up. Want to say something, Holly? Tell us about what you had for supper yesterday.
No thank you.
What?
No thank you.
Tell us what you had for supper, because your description of it was really good. Part of our daily chores here, not necessarily daily, but for a couple of days we got to fill the water up in the trailer. So I just got a hose ran right here for now. And oh, it's windy. And you see a hose, and then the power's going over there to the house. And we got stuff scattered everywhere. So we just got to go over here underneath the main, where the shop. This is going to be our shop here. So we got to go over here, and we're going to turn on some lights. Where's our plug? And power and pump. Okay, let's get that thing off the bottom. And why isn't that not come on? Oh, I had to turn off, I guess. So yeah, so that's our water supply there. I just got to I just want to hang this up so it's off the bottom a bit. That's our well. So this is the basement of the main building here. You got a foundation, kind of a foundation put around, as you can see. So it's a first-hand look of what we've got here. And they got a sewer pipe going there, but we're not going to need that because we're not going to be living in this place. This is going to be my shop. So yeah, so this is what we got here. Small doorway, and then there's a stairs going up there. I gotta revitalize that probably. So we're gonna let that run for a bit. Get some water in there. I gotta drain the well. Last we checked, the well water wasn't fit to drink. Just a bit of E. coli or something, I think it was. Something like that. Not too serious, but enough that they don't recommend drinking it. So we're gonna drain it, flush the bottom out real good. I do have a water system I'm gonna put in there for drinking, but there's no smell. It's really good water. So here's a dilemma we have. We got this building is built on outside the foundation, and it's just on stilts, so I got to inspect that a little better. I'm kind of on the fence whether I'm going to keep this part or not. I probably should, but I got to put a roof on it, of course. And yeah, Penny's doing some business. You know, we got some scaffolding here for my dear old brother-in-law. So that's the benefit of being close to home. You got friends and family to help out when in need. And I've never had that convenience, I guess. I've always lived away since 1995. But anyways, now definitely the front here's got to come off. I was going to put that off, take that off. So we'll see how that goes, I guess. Yeah, anyways, gonna be a thing because this is just sitting on. They do have some cement, but I just don't like this front part here, so I'm gonna get rid of that, I think. And here Penny, come on here. Anyways, so I'm gonna take you inside. So yeah, this is our backfill we're gonna use to bury up that ditch. So let's go inside. Come here, come on girl. Yeah, so this is what we got. You've probably seen this on an earlier video. So this is the original building, and then they built this piece here on, and it's a little slight slant, but it's not enough, and it's leaking, and it's like that's full of water up there. That's turning green. It's gross. So anyways, and it's water on the floor. So this part here is a nice addition. So what I might do is just take it back to this wall here. Yeah, and then we got lots of stuff in here. This is the main. This is gonna be a shop. This will be like a shop area to do, you know, work on a bike, snowmobile, woodworking, whatever, right? So originally going to tear this off as well, but this is a big space, so I just got to gut it out, and if it's a good foundation, I can make the foundation better if I need to. And then maybe here where this window is where I'll have a walkway, or I'll put in a door, and then I'll have stairs going down, and then that building, right, the cabin is going to be the house. So this might be a good thing. So I'm thinking I might do that. So anyways, yeah, so, and then we got a little bit of a half story here, and this is just one story, and then of course we got upstairs here. I'm gonna cut that down and put a roof on, a peak roof with metal, I think. And then this here, it's not leaking yet, it's still good, but I'm gonna put of course a peak roof on this. We just got deep freeze going because all we had is the camper, so we just got some frozen meat, food and stuff in there, power. And of course this is everything that we brought over, some stuff we brought over from Nova Scotia from, you know, past trips. And this building here, you can see the dark on the wall, that's wet. This is all coming down. That's the annex, that's all coming down. So right here, I don't know if I'll probably put a small window or a couple windows here, and then we'll have a lean-to off the back of this place. But anyways, lots of work to do here. It's going to take us years to get it the way we want it. I don't mean 10 years, but maybe a couple for sure, right? So anyhow, I'm gonna have a bunch of stuff on the go at the same time here. So propane tank there, I didn't know I had that. Okay, yeah, all right, that's a propane, another propane tank. Huh, finding them everywhere now. And what we got here, is this a 2-inch ball? 1 7/8. Damn, yeah. Anyways, yeah, you see all the goodies we had left, eh? A lot of it we got gone now, but so here's another tank of propane. So yeah, I'm gonna start ripping this off real soon, so you want to stay tuned for that. It's gonna be fun getting that ripped off. So we're gonna close this up now because Penny and I are going to up the road about 30 kilometers to my friends, and we got a lot of our stuff stored there. So we're just going to go up and grab and pick up a load of stuff. Hopefully I get the right stuff that I need, and yeah, so anyways, we're storing tanks here. We got we're using lots of that's not bad still. Yeah, so we're just we're using lots of propane because it's so cold here. And yeah, we got to get this ditch filled in at some point, so we're just filling it up with junk now that won't rot over the years, just garbage, I guess. And so there's the half story. That building is staying over top of the well, and this is the one that's leaking bad, and that's got to come down. So I think in here we might come off with a nice lean-to or so, and I'll have like a 2-bay, like almost like a drive-in or whatever for vehicles and so on. Anyways, yes, that's down the road. But so anyways, last night we had a fire here yesterday. I didn't film it, but anyways, burned up a lot of our, remember we trimmed off this tree? We trimmed this tree down. Holly was shocking by the cut in the tree. Anyways, we had a big pile of boughs here, limbs, So I managed to get those cut up yesterday, and yeah, this is what she looks like after last season. We tore off the part, right? And you see the wind, we're the north wind, right? I mean, we're on the North Atlantic, so Santa Claus is that way, straight north, right? But as you can see, it's still foggy and stuff here, but at least it's not raining. This freaking insulation has been going everywhere, so I got to get that picked up. So yeah, lots going on, and just, you know, time, I guess.